Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix network errors and such issues on the Wechat application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to use the Wechat application on your device, however, the application just doesn't run, or if you get a warning saying network issues or network error, then in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you will need to do is to make sure that your internet connection is running well. Try using any other application that also uses the internet and see if this application is running just fine. If it is, then the second step is to check for updates. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and tap on the search box. Then just type in Wechat and then start your search. Once you find the Wechat application, tap on it. And if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this in order to install the latest updates. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And you can now try running the Wechat application and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, one last thing that you can do is to long press on the Wechat application and tap on the info button. This will then take you into the application info page. From here, tap on force stop in order to stop the application and then go into storage. From the storage page, tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner and see if this fixes your issue. And if it does not, then you will also need to clear your data. After this step, you will be asked to log back into your account on the Wechat application. However, now the network issues will be solved. And there you have it. That is how you can fix network issues on the Wechat application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.